Hello everyone. This video is about a new book that we have just launched for CA Final Risk Management. It's called a case study capsule. So we had a lot of queries from students about how do we prepare for case studies, sir. सर बहुत सारे केस स्टडीज हैं हमारे पास, कैसे प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए, प्लस केस स्टडीज कहाँ से प्रैक्टिस करें सर. बहुत सारे सेल्फ डेवलप्ड केस स्टडीज मार्केट में अवेलेबल होते हैं, आईसीआई के केस स्टडीज है, हमें कहाँ से प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए. So obviously, given the fact ICAI has issued an ICAI case study digest, which has a lot of case studies, they have the past term ka case studies, they have the MTP case studies, that gives you a comprehensive, believe me, that gives you a comprehensive basis for preparing for case studies. So when you prepare for CA Final Risk Management, the first thing that you do is you prepare concepts. The concepts that you prepare is done from the ICAI module, from the summary modules. Then comes the practice and the preparation for the case studies. Now this practice and preparation for case studies, there is no end to practice obviously, and obviously जो नया case study आएगा वो कुछ नया आएगा. लेकिन ICAI के साथ ऐसा भी हुआ है कि कई बार केस स्टडी नया है लेकिन केस स्टडी का क्वेश्चन वैसा ही है जो पुराना किसी केस स्टडी में उन्होंने दिया था, एमटीपी में, पास्ट टर्म में या ICAI डाइजेस्ट में. So if you have seen these case studies and if you have practiced and understood them, there is nothing better for a case study preparations. And that is why we thought that it would be best and advisable for students अगर हम ऐसा कुछ कर सके जहां ICAI के सारे केस स्टडीज आपको एक साथ एक जगह अरेंज करा के दे दे. आपके लिए जितना भी आपको केस स्टडीज प्रैक्टिस करने का दरकार हो वो सारा केस स्टडीज हम आपको एक साथ अरेंज कर दे, so that your preparations can be comprehensive. So with that in mind, we created this book for you called Risk Management Case Study Capsule. आइडियली रिस्क मैनेजमेंट इलेक्टिव पेपर है, लोग इसको नेग्लेक्ट करते हैं और हम हमेशा बोलते हैं कि इसको एफर्ट थोड़ा देना है, कम देना है, बिकॉज ओपन बुक एग्जाम है, लेकिन एफर्ट देना पड़ेगा. केस स्टडीज भी अपने को प्रिपेयर प्रैक्टिस करनी है. नो केस स्टडीज प्रिपेयर प्रैक्टिस आप कितने करोगे? 2, 5, 10, 20? वी वेंट ऑन टू मेक दिस केस स्टडी capsule which has more than 40 case studies. Yes, you heard me right. This has more than 40 case studies solved for you. और इससे ज्यादा फ्रैंकली कोई भी इंसान बैठ के सॉल्व नहीं करता है. आई जेन्युइनली बिलीव दिस कि जनरली 10, 20, 30, 40 केस स्टडीज कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव प्रिपरेशन होता है फॉर सीए फाइनल रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, क्योंकि आपको तो और भी पेपर्स प्रिपेयर करने होते हैं. So I think this is one comprehensive book that helps you. We tried making it a little colored, so that helps you in kind of getting a good feel of the book. That kind of helps you to make it more attractive. I was listening to that song the other day. हम है नए, अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना. And then it struck me, वो ICAI का बुक्स जो होता है ना, उसमें देखकर ही ऐसा ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट ऐसा रहता है कि उसको देख के पढ़ने का मन नहीं करता. स्क्रिबल्स कहा करे, लोग कई बार प्रिंट आउट्स निकाल लेते हैं, प्रिंट आउट्स का कई सारा अलग अलग बंडल्स बन जाता है, वो सारे बंडल्स को कैरी करना एक हेडेक हो जाता है, पेन हो जाता है, प्रिंट आउट्स निकालना, मैनेज करना. So we thought let's make the life easy for students. That's what we are here for. So we made this case study capsule for you. This case study capsule has 48 case studies for you. Believe me, 48. That is the number of case studies that we got into this book for you. This is how the case study becomes attractive. You have all the contents. You have all the case studies available, the multiple choice questions. थोड़ा सा कलरफुल होगा, अट्रैक्टिव होगा, पढ़ने में मजा आएगा. यहां पे अपना स्क्रिबल्स कर सकते हैं. There is a separate section where you can note down all the things that you want to note down in the papers with respect to those case studies, and you can carry this with you in the examination hall. That is why we call it, obviously, we call them your companion to examination halls. So the people who would know, obviously we had earlier also issued a book for you people that is currently there in the markets as well. So that was the first volume of your companion to exam hall, where this was the summary book. This was the summary book where we had a comprehensive summary for all of you. Now from that summary book, we have now gone into the companion, which is the case study capsule. Together these two books and the ICAI module is a comprehensive thing that you want to carry in the examination halls. You don't need to carry anything else. और कोई चीज carry करने का दरकार नहीं पड़ेगा अपने को. So this is one book that is definitely going to be very, very helpful for you for examinations, targeting November, December 21, and obviously May or if June 22. So grab your copies as soon as you can. Since we are launching it now, there will be an introductory offer available for the ones who pre-book it or book it in the first 10 days, and then the market prices would be a little different. But book बहुत heavy है, believe me. I have already got my first copy of it in my hands, and this really gives you a very good feel. So this is thick, this is like 330 pages is what the book is, and it's going to be fun, and it's going to be educative, and it's going to be helpful. So I look forward to your feedbacks about the book as well, the ones who grab their copies, and I hope this helps you in your preparations, and make the best out of it. Study well. All the best. Thank you, everyone. For any booking related details, for how to book the copy, for any other further infos, you can always contact us. The contact infos are there on your screens. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.